Hello there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so something a little bit different today. I was really excited this morning that my sewing themed journal kit has arrived. I got this kit from Chic Vintage Gifts. You can find them on Etsy, eBay, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. I actually found this shop, the lady Alana posted in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, showing off this kit that she was selling, and yeah, it had to be mine. I have wanted to make a sewing journal for a little while. I'm not the best sewer by any means. I only got a sewing machine for Christmas. I can do bits of hand sewing, but using machine is a different ball game altogether. But I'm keen to learn. I love the effect that a sewing machine gives, and I really wanted to do a sewing themed journal. So when I saw that she had a kit that had all different bits of ephemera and things that I could use, it just had to be mine. So I purchased it. So I just wanted to do a little walkthrough of what I got, and yeah, encourage you to maybe have a little look at her shop as well. So starting on this side, this is all my kind of paper bits and bits of fussy cutting and ephemera. So I've got a few different fussy cuts here, so some bits to do with fashion, some scissors, cotton reels, different fabrics. Love these corsets, just so pretty. And then this is probably my favourite. What an absolutely stunning sewing machine. This is going to look awesome in the journal, so yeah, definitely my favourite, I think. But yeah, so we've got those. So as well as the larger fussy cuts, I've got some smaller bits here, bits that have already been kind of cut out, a couple of sayings, so much more material girl, lots of little snippets there. And then I have a few larger pieces which will be fantastic for kind of belly bands and journal cards, but again, all sort of sewing themed. Really love this one with the tape measures. Yep, so some larger bits there for journaling cards. Also, she put in a few different sewing themed sayings that I could use in the journal, so I really like that. Gorgeous little sewing machine label, great to go on the inside of the cover. This die set I absolutely love, so excited by this. I love a die set anyway, and yeah, I love this. I think this is going to be awesome. Again, little cutouts, things just to embellish the journal a little bit more, but yeah, very excited by this one. I then got 4 of the book corners. They did a silver colour, 4 of those. I got 5 little wooden buttons, all with a different pattern or colour on them. Then have this gorgeous layaway ticket, so really like that. Oh, this fabulous embossed envelope, really like that, so cute. I've got 3 of the Gutermann reels there. Okay, and I got these little charms which are absolutely gorgeous. So I've obviously got this which you just use to kind of thread your needle, so that can be used within the journal. But these little charms, this one says silk cord. Obviously got a teeny little safety pin, a knitting jumper, some yarn and a ball of wool with the needles going through. So absolutely cute, cannot wait to get those on a journal. Okay, so I also got in the kit this gorgeous sewn journal label that can kind of go on the front of a journal, and then I did have a little bag of freebies which did have some of these little cutouts in, but also another one, and then kind of a spare one that I could then obviously embellish for other journals. I do have enough fabric, which I'll show you in a moment, to make a couple of journals, so yeah, I love that. I got this gorgeous lace, so there's I think about 1 metre, maybe just over, but it's a nice wide lace, so that's really lovely. Also got a ruffle roll here, paper ruffle roll. She's obviously much better at sewing and using a sewing machine than I am. but that's really cool. And I got this I'm very excited about as well. These aren't very easy to come by, certainly where I am. I'm always looking on Facebook Marketplace, and these are either extortionate prices or yeah, nowhere near me, so I can't go and pick them up. But yeah, as you can see, it's got all of the patterns in there, so I am very excited to use those as pieces of ephemera in the journal as well. Right, and then the pieces of fabric that I have, I know this looks very bright on the camera, but it's not that bright in real life. But yeah, it's like a mustardy yellow and then shades of grey. This is an upholstery fabric, so it's a nice thickness, but this in itself would make a nice journal. And then I've got this one, which is again an upholstery fabric, and as you can see, it's got kind of like little stitching in it, and I just love that edging. I just think that's absolutely gorgeous. Right, so thank you for joining me on my walkthrough through all of the different bits and pieces that I got for my sewing themed journal. I'm really excited to get started now. As I said, I'm not an experienced sewer and certainly not very good with a sewing machine. I am still learning, so it may take me a little time to get this journal put together, but I promise as soon as it's finished, I will show you a flip through so you can kind of see how I've used all of these different bits and pieces. Just to give another shout out to Alana, so her business is Chic Vintage Gifts. You can find her on Etsy, eBay, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you very much for joining me while I show off my goodies. Please give this video a like. If you are not already subscribed, then please click the subscribe button. Make sure you also do the bell so you are notified of any new videos that I release, especially if you obviously want to see how this journal actually turns out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything to me. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. See you later. Bye bye.